Welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple swing check ball in SolidWorks. So let's see how we create this part in SolidWorks and later we apply the material for this. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. So go to the file, now select new and here select part, then OK. To change the background to plain white and go to the front plane, right click sketch and here make the center line vertical and horizontal. So make it vertical and again make the center line horizontal. Here we select the line and make the line up to this and now select the 3-point arc and here we make the 3-point arc up to this. Now select the line and make the line up to this. Now go to the smart dimension. This length will be 40 mm, so make it 40 and now select this one, it also be 40, then OK, and this radius will be 130, then OK. Now we select this point, press with shift key and now select this point center, press with shift key and now select this point and make it vertical so it comes to this vertical, then OK. Now from this line and this gap, so it will be from this it will be 45 mm, so make it 45, then OK. Now select this one and this point, it also be 45, so make it 45, then OK. Now its gap will be 85 132.21, so make it the gap of this. Now we make the offset entities for this sketch, so go to the offset entity and make the offset of 3 mm. Now select this sketch but we make it reverse direction and the condition will be cap ends and make the cap end with lines, then OK. Now go to the features and select the revolve boss base and here we select the axis of revolution, this center line, then OK. Now apply the material, so simply go to the appearance and here we select the magnesium metal and select the satin finish magnesium. Now it will be selected to this part. Now go to the make the plane, top plane above the top plane of 100 mm, so go to the reference geometry, select the reference geometry and now select the plane and here select the top plane and make the plane above the 100 mm, then OK. Now select this plane, right click sketch, then normal and here make the circle, so select this point and make the circle of 100 mm, so make it 100 mm, then OK. Now go to the features and select extrude boss base and extrude up to the surface. Now select this surface, it comes extrude to this surface. Now it will be selected, select this face, now it's come to this face, then OK. And here we hide this plane, so simply select right click and make it hide. Now select this face, sketch, then normal and here we make the circle, so make it the circle of 94 diameter, so go to the smart dimension and make it 94. So and extrude cut this sketch up to this face, so simply go to the features and now select extrude cut and extrude cut up to, so condition will be up to surface, and here we select this surface, then OK, and again make the fillet to this edge, so go to the fillet and the fillet of 10 mm. Now select this edge, so select this edge, now select this edge and select this one, then OK, and here we make the sketch on this top face, so simply select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and go to the circle and make the circle of 135 from this point, so go to the smart dimension and make it 135, then OK, and make the one circle more, so go to the circle and from this point make the circle up to this circle and ensure that it is tangent to this circle, and here we make the extrude, so go to the features, now select extrude boss base and extrude up to 10 mm, then OK. Now select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and here one thing, make the circle, so select the circle and from this point make the circle up to this, then exit the sketch. Now go to the features and select extrude boss base and extrude up to 10 mm, but one thing more, untick the merge result, because if you tick the merge result, the body connected to this body, so it will be merged, but we don't want to merge, so make it on merge, then OK, and here select this face, right click, sketch, then normal, and here select the polygon and make the polygon from this point and make it up to this. Here go to the smart dimension and from this point and this point the gap will be 10 mm, then OK, and from this point and this point its gap also 58, so make it 58, then OK. Now go to the feature and select extrude boss base and extrude up to 5 mm, so make it 5 and untick the merge result, then OK. Here we make the 30 number of this body, so go to the circular pattern and here select the parameter, so simply select this circle and select the bodies and select this boss extrude and the number of instances will be 13 and click equal spacing, then OK. Now again select this face, right click, sketch, then OK. Now go to the convert entities and make the convert entities of this sketch, so select this sketch and make it convert. Now extrude this sketch, so go to the features, now select extrude boss base and stored up to 5 mm and untick the merge result, then OK. And here we make the circular pattern, so go to the select and select circular pattern and parameter, so select this circle, outer circle, and here select the bodies and select this boss extrude and number of instances will be 13, then OK. Now we create this swing check ball in SolidWorks, and if you want to see the section view, so go to the section view, and here we can change, so go to section. Now see the section of this swing check ball, then OK. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.